Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Amanda and thank you for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave. Today's video is going to be the September Boxycharm unboxing. Unfortunately, I was unable to get the Boxy looks for the month of September. I got waitlisted really early at like 9:30. And I saw people that got waitlisted after me qualified, got the box, like they got like an email 30 minutes after, and I was just like, what the heck? And then like around 11:30 I got an email saying you have opted out of the wait list, and I was like, oh heck no. So I emailed Boxycharm, they said it was a glitch in the system. So I'm on the wait list for December, so I'm hoping I can get it for December because I am a little sad that I did not get the September one, but it's okay, that's just my little rant. Let's dive in to our box. The only product I have on my face right now is foundation, just because I usually don't get foundation, so I wanted to go on ahead and be ahead of the game while we unbox. And, oh, hello. And this is what the inside looks like. All right, looks like we got some fun products this month. So I see these two products, so we're gonna start with these two. And this is the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale eyeshadow palette. I have not used anything by the brand Pretty Vulgar. Let's open her up. Ooh, okay. This looks like a fun palette to either create some neutral looks or like some bold smoky eye looks. I think this packaging layout is really cute. It's very unique. It's just a really cute packaging idea, and I am really liking the shades in this palette. I'm more of a warm tone girl, but I do appreciate the cool tones. Like, I love silver eyeshadow a lot, and I just feel like we can make some really fun looks in this palette. So we're gonna go in with the eye brush trio as well to see how these work with the eyeshadows. And I'm just gonna take a peek in the box just to make sure there's no other products that we can use with this look. Luscious Angel Eyes Eyeshadow Primer Base. Okay, so we're very heavy on eyes this month. We're gonna put this on first. I don't know what the brand Luscious is. Let me open up this card, might help as well as I'm jumping ahead of myself. Also, if you hear any wind or rain, Hurricane Florence is currently coming through. So September 2018's theme is Wildflower. I think this is really cute. Pretty Vulgar Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette retails for $35. This brush trio is the Alamar Cosmetics brush set, and it retails for $18. And the Luscious Cosmetics Angel Eyes Primer retails for $14. So I'm kind of like mixed about how heavy on eyes we are focused on in this month. Just because I like a little bit more variety of products in Boxycharm, or like a skincare product for that matter, because we got like all makeup related. That's just something I like to see in Boxycharm. This is what the eyeshadow base looks like. I really like Urban Decay's eyeshadow primer because it comes with an applicator, whereas this one I'm gonna take this brush. It doesn't have what it's called on it, but I'm gonna put some on. Let's see how this works. Oh, okay. Well, we missed the brush, but we're gonna put it on the eyelid and see how this works out. So it feels like a concealer right now, and a little goes a long way. Like, I think I have too much right now, and it's okay. Probably should have just used my finger. This is very thick for an eyeshadow primer base. Hopefully that means that my eyeshadow is going nowhere. I think I saw people get some eyeliners in their box, so I'm kind of sad I didn't get the eyeliner. So it's a little harder to blend in. Maybe I just put too much, but that's what I'm experiencing right now. We're just gonna smoke out this whole eye. So here we go, we got the eyeshadow palette. We're gonna go in with the shade Hide and Seek just to start off with the crease, get a little base going all over the lid. There's a little bit of fallout. Ooh, there's a lot of fallout, actually. I just realized I did not do any swatches of this palette. We need to do some. Okay, let me finish up my base and we're gonna go rewind a little bit and do some swatches. I'm just getting really ahead of myself. I think it's just the anxious nerves of the storm. Hurricanes are not new for me. I grew up in Florida, but I'm in Florida mode because I was about like 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes from the coast. So we have like the industrial shutters on our windows, and the storm just kind of hits and moves on its merry way. Where I'm inland in North Carolina, don't have anything on our windows, and the storm is just going to be chilling literally all weekend. I'm sending positive vibes to everyone else affected by the storm, and I just wanted to say thank you to all the friends, family, followers, subscribers that have sent me really sweet messages. It does mean a lot to me. It is something that I'm treating a lot differently with the storm. It was a category 4, so it was gonna be like my first major storm without my parents, and I have a house, and we are in a zone that's projected to get about 8 to 12 inches, so it's a little scary. It's already scary as it is, but I'm in a totally different perspective of having my own house right now. Okay, so I forgot to do swatches. How dare I? So let's rewind a little bit. Got ahead of myself, but I think I have a good base going on. The shade is very similar to the eyeshadow base in my skin tone, so I don't really see much of a difference. Looking at it, it could be different on camera. So the top row of the birdcage is Nocturnal, Pillow Fight, and Break Free. Alright, I don't know if I just did not get enough of the first shade. Okay, there we go. Alright, and we're gonna go in with the next row. We have Dark Side, Hide and Seek, Clutch, and Flip Out. Okay, I really like Clutch. I hope its swatch is nice. Ooh, yeah. Okay, even Hide and Seek, the shade that I put on my eyelids, showed up a little faint on my skin. We're gonna go in with I Spy and Silver Spoon. Well, these feel really good. Oh yeah, they're very pigmented. I think those are like my favorite shades right now. Okay, and then we have the last row, which are all matte shades, and we have Swoop, After Midnight, and All Nighter. After Midnight looks a little patchy. I don't know if it was just how it grabbed on my finger, or if I did not swirl it really good, but After Midnight was definitely the patchiest. And these are what the shades look like. As you know, you can't always judge swatches by how you just dip your finger into an eyeshadow palette and put it on your arm, because it's going to perform differently when you use a brush and you apply it on your eyes. Let's go in with the shade Dark Side and add a little bit more life on top of Hide and Seek. I like these brushes though, they're picking up the eyeshadows really well. This brush is doing a really good job applying shadow onto the eyelid and the crease. It's blending really nicely. But it looks like I got a black eye right now, so I just need to buff this out a little bit. Probably will be going in with another brush to lighten up the crease a little bit, soften it up. I really like this shade. There is a lot of fallout though with these shades, but they're really pigmented. So I definitely feel like the eyeshadow primer is definitely amplifying these eyeshadows. They're very vibrant on my eyes right now. And it's definitely like a thicker base primer, because I am having to blend in a little bit more with these shades. But they're fairly easy to blend in with these brushes. Even though this is the only brush I've used so far, but I'm really enjoying this brush. I will probably get the most use out of this brush. I'm gonna take a little bit of MAC Fix Plush, apply it onto this brush that I used to apply the base with. I cleaned it off. Go into the shade Silver Spoon. And then we're gonna go in with the shade All Nighter, and we're gonna do some to like the outer corner just to darken it a little bit. Having fun with like this really dark look. Got hurricane winds and the cat meowing. And I'm just gonna go back in with a different brush with Hide and Seek just to soften up the crease a little bit. I feel like my angst emo self again with this look. And I'm just gonna finish the look with some black eyeliner on the waterline. Going in next with the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. I've also seen some YouTubers set with translucent setting powder on their eyeshadow base before they apply eyeshadow. I haven't tried that yet, but if you have, let me know how that works out, because I am interested, but I feel like I don't need it. I feel like that's just an extra step that I don't need. But if I'm missing out, let me know. I feel like everyone is starting to do it, so I just want to try the trends. I kind of want to test this brush out, so I might take it with my Ka-Brow just to see how it works. My right brow has been giving me issues lately, and I just got them waxed on Tuesday, so I'm hoping that will help. I don't know, it's just having a mood. I don't know what I ever did to it to be treated like this. I think this other brush can be used either for eyeliner, upper lash line. I didn't apply any eyeliner. I already have a pretty bold, dark, smoky eye going on right now, so I just did not feel the need to. We are gonna see how it works with Ka-Brow. And I love Ka-Brow. I feel like I get like a really bold eyebrow look with it. Pencils, I go for like a softer look, but half the time, since my brows are very sparse, thank you to that thin brow trend years ago. So, but I've been keeping up with my brows. I get them waxed every 2 weeks because I have this habit of picking at my brow. It's a nervous anxiety habit that Heather and I picked up in college, and it just hasn't gone away. So usually I like to fill in my brows because it helps prevent doing that. Let's go in with the other side. I feel like this brush is really easy to control, just shaping out, eyelining your brow with. And I'm just gonna clean it up and set it with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I love this stuff so much. Here comes the wind, little darling. There we go. Feel like a human. Okay, I think I got a good little eye look going on. So the next product is the Girlactik. I've only used a few products by this brand, and I've only used products through Boxycharm, so I think it's a really good brand that I've discovered through Boxycharm. And this is what the inside looks like. Really pretty. So it looks like a highlighter duo. Let's do a swatch. Ooh, it's like a cream highlighter. Oh yeah, they are definitely buttery and a little damp. I don't want to use the word moist. All right. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. But they're at the top of my hand there. I don't really use cream highlighter, so let's just use our fingers. Both shades, like this little compact is called Moonlight. I don't know if each shade has an individual color or have an individual name for their colors. So let's take the more champagne color. Oh girl, okay. Okay, but this seems to be working out a little bit. And since I haven't carved out my cheekbone, I think I'm doing an okay job of eyeballing it. I might just turn into a whole thing of highlighter by the end of this video. Oh yeah, we have a little bit of life. I'm curious to see how it would look with some blush and bronzer. And then the last product we have Grande Lips Hydra Plump Liquid Lipstick Semi-Matte in the shade Red Delicious. Rewind for 2 seconds. So this Girlactik Skin Duo retails for $26, and then this Grande Cosmetics retails for $25. I'm excited. I haven't used anything by this brand. I haven't even heard of it, but it looks like a gorgeous shade. So this packaging looks really cute. Let's do a swatch on the hand. Ooh, I like this red a lot. All right, we're gonna just take her right here. Okay, formula feels nice. I like it, and I really like the shade of red. All right, let's see how it goes on the lips. It doesn't feel drying, which I really like. A lot of liquid lipsticks can be very drying. Are your lips tingling? Like mine are tingling a little bit. I don't know if I should be concerned. Did anyone else's lips tingle? No, just me. Cool. There have been 2 lip products that I've actually had allergic reactions to. They're lip plumpers actually, and I know this is Hydra Plump Liquid Lipstick, so I'm not sure if there's an ingredient in here that might be causing the tingle that helps plumpness, because the plumping gloss that I've used in the past that made my lips tingle. 94% didn't sting, but I'm the 6%. Okay, cool. So the statistics on the back say 97% comfortable to wear. Agree. 94% lips look naturally fuller. Okay, I'll give it that. 94% didn't sting. Yeah, I am feeling a little tingle, so I'm gonna classify that as a sting. I don't know what that means, so we're just gonna roll with it. And then for setting purposes, we're just gonna take the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray and set the face. All right, and this is the completed look. So overall, I like the products. I really liked how my eyes turned out with the eyeshadow palette. The brushes were also a huge hit. I think the eye primer base was a little bit thicker, more to my liking, but I think I used a lot of products, so I just need to go easy the next time. I think I need to play with this a little bit more, maybe in combination with some blush and bronzer. I really like my highlighters to be bam, and I feel like I'm getting a really good look right now. But I also am more familiar with highlighter powders than cream, so it's just something I need to work on with. And then the stinging has faded a little bit, so I'm not sure what could be causing that, but I really do like the shade. I really like the formula. Let's just do a test right now. So it does transfer a little bit. You know, this box wasn't bad, and for Boxycharm, it's $21 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products, and each box is worth over $100, so it's a really good value, a good way of trying new products, building your collection. Still a little bummed about Boxy looks because you pay about $49 and your box is $300 worth value. I'm holding out for December. Hopefully it works out better so I can bring that to my channel. But thank you again for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like Boxycharm, if you like demos. Let me know if you had a tingle with this lipstick as well. Leave a comment on what videos you would like to see in the future. Make sure you subscribe before you leave, and I will see you in the next video.